Today I'm gonna teach you about a mocktail named Good Cracker. So I'm gonna start with pouring some mint leaves and some lemon cubes, and I'm gonna muddle them together. We are doing this to extract the flavors of both the ingredients so that it will taste better. Make sure that you break the mint leaf because by doing that we'll be able to extract more and more flavor. Now, after doing the process, by grabbing a spoon, we will put this into juggling jar. I'm using a juggling jar here. And the rest of the whole recipe I'm going to make in this. Now after doing this, we are going to add our lemon juice and some sugar syrup. You can also make your own lemonade since I thought that it would be better to make my own sugar syrup and also pour some lemon juice as it was a better process. It intensifies the flavor. And then I'm going to pour some ice because it's a mocktail and we require ice. It has to be chill. Around 100 grams of ice is required for this recipe. I'm going to just add few of them. You can also use ice crush if you want. That will be all. As it being a mocktail will require some of the water. I am using around 75 to 80 grams of water. Not much because the ice is also going to loosen up, and we are also going to use some Sprite. If not Sprite, if you are not comfortable with any of the cold drinks, then you can also use sparkling water. And then at the end I am going to use some Curaco blue syrup. I am using the brand Mocktail. You can use any preferable brand. Since the flavor is, we are using only single flavor, hence it has to be dominating. So I am using half a cup of this. And then I am going to juggle it together. You need to make sure that your juggling jar is really tight because you don't want it to come off while you're juggling it. You can check this. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure while opening it since it's really cold. Yeah, it smells really good. It's very refreshing. It has that minty smell that I required. And then you can just taste some of it. And then, yeah, it's really nice. Now you can add your Sprite for that sparkle that you need. I'm going to take around, I took half a cup of my syrup. So I'm going to take 1 cup of my Sprite, because I need the punch that is a little bit missing. You can make it more sour according to your requirements. I prefer this much. Now we are going to put back again. We're going to meditate for some time. I guess that's all. Yeah, it smells really good. I've already put some of the syrup here and I've tried to represent it in this way. I'm just going to pour my mocktail here. As you can see, we get a very beautiful summery blue color, which is very attractive. And then just one lemon slice will do justice taste to this cocktail. You can also add a mint leaf if you want, just to show some of the ingredients that are present in the mocktail, and there you go.